Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where we turn everyday kitchen adventures into epic tales of culinary chaos. Today, I want to tell you about the time I tried to make a spicy potato fry that turned into a fiery fiasco. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. If you love a good laugh and maybe a little bit of schadenfreude, stick around. This story is packed with all the ingredients for a hilarious disaster. Alright, so picture this. It's a lazy Sunday afternoon and I'm craving something spicy. You know those days when you just want to treat yourself to something delicious and a bit adventurous? I decide to whip up some spicy potato fries. I mean, who doesn't love a good crispy spicy fry, right? I mean, how hard can it be, right? Famous last words. Little did I know I was about to embark on a culinary journey that would test my patience and my taste buds. I start by peeling the potatoes. Easy enough. I'm feeling pretty confident at this point, thinking I've got this in the bag. Then I cut them into these perfect little strips like I'm some kind of master chef. Each slice is a work of art, or so I think. Feeling pretty proud of myself already. I'm imagining the applause from an imaginary audience cheering me on. Next I grab my bottle of hot sauce. This is where things start to get interesting. Now, most people would add a few drops, maybe a teaspoon, but not me. Oh no, I have to go all out. Oh no, I douse those bad boys like I'm putting out a fire. I mean, if a little is good, a lot must be better, right? Spoiler alert, I was about to start one. The moment those potatoes hit the pan, it was like a scene from a disaster movie. I toss the potatoes into the frying pan, and immediately, the kitchen turns into a scene from Dante's Inferno. Smoke is billowing everywhere. Smoke everywhere. Eyes watering, and I'm coughing like I just swallowed a whole chili. It's absolute chaos. My dog Sherlock takes one look and bolts for the door. Smart dog. He knows when to get out of a bad situation. But I'm not giving up. Oh no, I am determined to see this through. Oh no, I am committed. This is my Everest and I'm going to conquer it. I grab a fan, open the windows and keep cooking. The neighbors probably think I'm trying to signal for help. After what feels like an eternity, they're done. Finally, the moment of truth. They look amazing. Crispy, golden, and perfectly spiced. They are a sight to behold. I take a bite, and let me tell you, it's like biting into the sun. The heat is intense. My mouth is on fire, tears streaming down my face, and I'm chugging milk straight from the carton. It's a desperate attempt to cool down. Sherlock is watching me, probably thinking, "You idiot." He's got that look of pure judgment. So what did I learn from this? Well, a few things actually. Maybe leave the extreme spice challenges to the professionals. They know what they're doing. Or at least don't try to impress your dog with your culinary skills. They really don't care. But hey, it made for a great story, right? Sometimes the best memories come from the biggest messes. And next time, I'll remember, a little hot sauce goes a long way. Moderation is key. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I hope you enjoyed my spicy disaster as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you enjoyed my spicy disaster, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen catastrophes. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, keep it cool and keep it funny. See you later. And remember, always have a glass of milk handy.